Hello, welcome to UGC NET Media Mastery. Today we'll be diving into one of the earliest media theories, the Hypodermic Needle Theory, also called the Magic Bullet Theory. In this series of videos, we will go through all the important mass communication theories you'll need for your UGC NET mass communication exams. Okay, so what is this Hypodermic Needle Theory? Imagine media messages like a syringe or an injection, injecting information straight into your mind. That's the basic idea of this theory. It's one of the first theories that try to explain how media affects people. So now let's look at the core idea of this theory of media acting like a gun or a needle. The main point is simple. Media goes straight into people's minds without thinking or questioning it. They just take in the message and react to it. It is a one-way street from sender to receiver, no discussions, no debates, just pure influence. So to understand this better, let's look at a famous example. The War of the Worlds radio broadcast in 1938, presented by Orson Welles. This presentation was done in such a manner that it felt like real, about a Martian invasion or people of Mars invading the Earth. People freaked out. Some even ran out of their homes, thinking Earth was under attack. Now let's talk about how this theory looks at audiences. First, it sees audiences as passive recipients. That means people are just sitting there, taking in whatever media shows them without resistance. Second, it assumes uncritical acceptance. Basically, people are believed to trust and believe everything they see, hear, or read. No questioning, no analysis. And third, it suggests a uniform response. Everyone is supposed to react the same way to these media messages. It's almost like saying media can brainwash an entire population and control public opinion. Now let's look at the criticisms of this theory. Modern scholars think that there is a lot of problem with this theory. First, they say it's just too simple for today's complex media world. Media doesn't work in such a direct way anymore. Second, audiences are actually active and not passive. People interpret messages differently depending on their own experiences and cultural backgrounds. And finally, media consumptions rarely make everyone behave the same way. Different people we know respond in different ways. So the idea of one big uniform reaction doesn't hold true. So that's it for the hypodermic needle theory. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. In the next episodes that will follow, we will cover another important media theories that will help you ace your UGC NET exams. So see you there.